Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. Today I want to show you how to change the colors of devices in status pages and floor plans. All right. A good example of that is, let's say you want the system to show the areas in in red when they are armed and green if they're disarmed, or change the color of an output when you activate the output. For instance, by default, if you activate the output, it's green, but maybe you want to show the output as red when energized. Okay, it's very simple. It's called the color map, and it's done in the ICT Protege GX system that's in front of me. So I'll show you how to create the map and how to assign the map to the system. Okay, all right, so let's have a look. So from the home page, okay, you go to global, you go to color maps, okay, and we can create a new color map. And you see here you can change the color of doors, inputs, outputs, areas, and elevators. So your floor buttons, let's say, or the floor relays will show a different color than the default one. Okay, so that's the first step. I want to show you how it is by default. So if I go to, let's say, a status page view, and let's say I'm going to use outputs as an example for today. Okay, so you see the output is off, it's in red. If I activate the output, it will become green. Okay, so that's the default. I want to make it the opposite, so it's going to be red when energized. Okay, so let's deactivate. Okay, all right, and I go here. So under global settings, so I went to global settings. Under display, I will now assign the new color map and save. All right, now if I go back here, you see now everything is green under outputs, right? And if I activate the output, it will show in red. Okay, so again, you can change doors, inputs, outputs, areas, and elevators. So basically, if your client wants the devices to show a different color, this is how you do it. You create the color map with all the statuses, not only on or off. You have, let's say, a door status of open, close, forced open, left open. You can change these different statuses to have a different color. Okay, so so that it may be easier for the client to find out, okay, of all those areas, which ones are not armed at 5 p.m. today, for instance. Okay, so again, this was how to create color maps and assign the color maps to the system with the Protege GX system from ICT, whose Inaxsys is the Canadian distributor. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel so you have notifications when we have a new one available. And if you need any kind of help, you can reach our support and sales team from the Inaxsys.com website. Again, thanks for watching. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.